Thanks for joining me. So yesterday I did something that I thought might be kind of wild and crazy, but I did that painting that I used all of the pearlescent colors that I had, alternated them with black, and I had 27 pearlescent colors. But it turned out beautifully, and so I wanted to do one using all of my iridescent colors. Now, the iridescent colors, I only have 10 of those. And so it's not going to be nearly as big as the other one that I did. So today I'm doing this one on an 8x10, but it's going to be the same concept. I'm going to start from this color and work my way down and end up with black on the bottom, and I'll alternate each color with black so that it helps really accentuate each color because they look better on a black background, on a dark background. So what better dark than black? So for the alternating black, I'm going to use Satin Black by Delta Ceramcoat. So I'm going to go ahead and let you know as I'm putting in each color what the color is. So I'm going to start with, oh wait, I'm going to pause you so that I can shake these colors up. Okay, so I'm going to start with Iridescent Glowing Peach by Arteza. Fill the bottom of my cup. And then Iridescent Playful Pink by Arteza. I think all of these are Arteza, actually. And I'm only going to do one layer of each color. So hopefully I'll get enough. Iridescent Fiery Red by Arteza. Iridescent Shady Orange by Arteza. Iridescent Dreamy Lemon Yellow by Arteza. Not sure what these would look like if I were to blow them out instead of just tilting them. Iridescent Fairy Tale Blue by Arteza. Oops. Ooh, this kind of has a purplish or pink cast to it. That's pretty. I don't know if you can see it. Iridescent Shocking Lime Green by Arteza. That's really pretty too. Iridescent Royal Purple by Arteza. I think I'm going to have plenty of color. I have this almost as full as I did for the 10 by 20. Although I did have to add some black to the canvas, so it had plenty to spread around. Iridescent Electric Purple Plum by Arteza. I need to get some tape and stick my stickers down because they're not staying down very well on some of these bottles. Ooh, I really like that color too. And the last iridescent color is Iridescent Fancy Black by Arteza. This has gold in it, or bronze. One or the other. I don't know. Oh, it's really pretty. Then I'll put a little bit more of the satin black on there. So it has a little bit to go on too. All right, I'm gonna get these out of the way and then we will flip it. All right, so here's what they look like in the cup. The one drawback to using a cup that is not clear, then you can't see it on the sides. All right, I'm gonna flip this right now. Oh, I flipped it pretty good. And it's pretty much in the center. All right. Ooh, it's moving. All right. Woo. Wow, that's pretty. This purple's pretty that's coming out of here too. So I have the same problem that I did with the last one too, is that the color that was clear on the bottom just kind of stays in the cup. So I'm just going to kind of drip it in here. All right. The rest of this I'm just going to scrape out here so it gives the rest of the paint something to slide upon. All right. Okay, it's getting kind of close to that edge. Don't want it clear over there yet. Ooh, I like the colors that are happening in here already. They are really pretty. I'm going to torch this real quick. Lots of air bubbles. All right. I still didn't put gloves on, but this is moving that way and I don't want it falling off the edge, so I'm going to just start moving it. It is level where it's going to be sitting to dry, but it must not be very level here, and that's why it kept sliding. Okay, tilt it to this one really quick, bring it back to the center. Ooh, this is beautiful. That way real quick, bring it back, and then to this corner. Oh, a little bit more, covers that white spot. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Okay, I'm going to kind of bring it back to the center a little bit so that these colors over here become more of the focal points. Oh, I love that. Touch up the edges. Don't want to have any bare spots. Don't want to have any white spots. Oh, that's looking really, really pretty. Oh, I think you're gonna like this. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my hands and then I'll bring it out for a close-up. Wow, I really, really like this. I think it is so pretty. I think I actually like this one better than the one that I used the pearlescent colors in. But I'm thinking it's because on that one I used almost the same amount of black as I did the colors, and this one I tried to make sure I used quite a bit more color and just a little bit of black for each one, and so you really see the colors a lot better in this. So if I would have done that other one the same ratio as I did this one, I'd probably like it as much as this one, but this is so pretty. I'm glad I decided to do this. There's definitely more cells in this one than there was in the other one. And I don't know if it's because I used a different kind of black, or if it's because these are iridescents and those are pearls, or what for sure. But I do like the cells that are happening in this one too. I love that pink. I'm glad I scraped the cup out and got that pink in there too. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to shut off the overheads and we'll look at it with just the flash on. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It's so shimmery. It is so beautiful. And look at how those colors intermixed with each other. Oh, I love it. I love it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. Look at all those cells. So pretty. If you enjoyed this or got value out of my video, I would really appreciate it if you'd click the like button. It helps my videos spread to more people. If you're not a current subscriber, I would love for you to become one of my newest subscribers. And thank you to all my current subscribers for all of your support. Really appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great day. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless. Hey y'all, wanted to show you the dried results of yesterday's painting. It's really pretty. I love how all the colors are just kind of hiding in there. When I looked at the video as I was editing to get this video up on YouTube, I noticed that I was putting a lot more black in than I was of the colors, and I had actually intended on putting about 2 to 3 times as much of the color as the black, and that would have made a huge difference in how this looks without the light hitting it. But it's still really pretty. If you get it in the light, it is gorgeous. But I was thinking about possibly trying another one and measuring the amount of paint that I put in there so that I get the same amount of each color and not as much black in there. Because as you're pouring the colors, it's kind of hard to judge how much of each one you're doing. But I could tell I really started putting a lot less color in there towards the end than I was at the beginning. So that is really pretty right there. It just looks like it glows. All right, that's all for now. And this painting is for sale. If you are interested, reach out to me at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. Catch you later. Bye, and God bless.